There's something so special about turning a few good deals into gifts that will bless a child's life. With the help of some amazing finds from Lion Wholesale and a few sweet surprises from other sales, I was able to pack 4 toddler shoeboxes. Every dollar saved means another box packed and another child that will get to hear the gospel message. And I can't wait to show you how these treasures came together.
Sweetie daily spreading the light.
The drawstring bags from Lion Wholesale are bright and colorful, and I like the lion logo on the front, and they only cost 75 cents a piece. These toothbrushes were a great price at $1.19 for a pack of 3. The fidget caterpillars are so cute, and they were $1.35 each. And these little guys are mini pullback car animals, and they were $1.25 a piece. These LCD writing tablets are really good quality and only cost $1.95 a piece. I like to include picture books in my shoeboxes when I can. These were $1.25. These light-up tambourines are so much fun, and priced at $1.89 each makes it a great addition to any shoebox gift. These teddy bears are really soft and they're well stuffed, but not too much, making it possible to fit a good-sized teddy bear in the shoeboxes. The teddy bears were $3.75 a piece. I absolutely love the Hot Wheels from Lion Wholesale. Every car is colorful and great quality. The cost for each individual car came to $1.25. Okay, these safari animal soccer balls might be my favorite. They were the most expensive item I purchased. They were priced at $7.29, but considering the quality, the design, and that they included a pump with a soccer ball, I think it's a very good price. These Eva stuffies are so soft and sweet, and they were only priced at $2.95. These frozen baseball caps are good quality and so adorable. They cost $2.50 each. So these boxes are for 2 girls and 2 boys, ages 2 to 4, and there's no theme. And I based their lid design on and designed their lid design around the stuffed animal that's going to go in each of their boxes. So for this lid design here, it's a little fawn, and all the boxes say, "I am with you always," or "I am always with you," and "Jesus loves you." So for this box, there's a little fawn. And this is from Lion Wholesale, and she is so soft and so sweet. And this one is a little fox, and her little stuffy is a fox. Next we have the 2 teddy bears. One is kind of a dark brown color, a chocolate color, and the other one is more of a buff color. The wow item for the girls is this little My Sweet Love baby doll that I found on sale at a place called The Store for $3.99. I wrapped them in birth claws and then I tied a ribbon around it. The wow gifts for the boys are these really neat soccer balls that I got from Lion Wholesale. These are just so beautiful. All the different animals on there and patterns. And they also come with a pump. So I think that will be a really fun item for the boys. All the children will be getting hygiene packs. And I'll show you what I did. I found these very adorable little cellophane bags. For the girls, I'm using a kitty cat, and the boys will have a little bear. And inside their hygiene packs, they have a bee toothbrush, a nail file, and some clippers, a little nail kit, a cross necklace, some lip balm, a comb, and then a little compact mirror and a washcloth. All of the children will be getting a set of underwear and socks. The girls will be getting these teddy bear headbands. And these Minnie Mouse t-shirts. Another item from Lion Wholesale that they'll be getting, hopefully that it will fit, are these tambourines that light up. A purple frozen hat. One of these caterpillars. And I took these little pullback animals outside of the container. I did not think that container would fit in the boxes. They will all be getting a set of crayons and a school supplies kit with pencils, a pen, glue stick, sharpener, scissors, eraser, and also this little bookmark that says Jesus loves you and do everything in love. 1 Corinthians 16:14. They will all be getting one of these writing tablets, one of these books, our letter and photo to the child, a sticker face book, a coloring book, and then a folder with a laminated writing practice that you can get online at sweetteadaily.com, and also some paper. And the boy t-shirts, this one features a soccer design, and this one is a monster truck, and I got these on sale on clearance from Children's Place. The girls' t-shirts came from Old Navy. The boys will also be getting underwear and socks, along with 2 of these Hot Wheel cars. Okay, well, I think I've mentioned all the items that are going into these boxes. I am going to try to fit everything in these boxes, and I will let you know how it turns out in just a minute. Okay, so I was able to fit all the items in the girl boxes, and I have a little bit of space right here in the tambourine and in the corners here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them each a ball. And then some Play-Doh. Okay, I think that's pretty full. Now I'm going to move on to the boy boxes, and let's hope that I get everything inside and able to close the lid. We shall see. Okay, I wanted to show you the things that I put in the back. This folder here, the sticker activity, and the coloring book. And they all fit really well inside the back. And I'm able to close it just fine. All I need to do for this box is add my label and 2 107 rubber bands to keep it closed. But I'm going to go ahead and move on to the boy boxes. Okay, so I'm able to fit everything in the boy boxes that I wanted to. And I think I'll even have some space in the corner for one of these little dinosaur fidgets. So what I did was I nestled the teddy bear inside of the soccer ball. And I folded the shirt up to be at the very edge here and then put the pump on top. And then I'm going to put this in this corner right here. So let me go ahead and get these all boxed up and I'll show you the end result. Well, friends, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. May God bless you and your Shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.